Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that find the derivative of the following functions. These are the functions, solution. So now we'll start with the first one. The first function is y is equals to ln sine x. Now this is also a function of a function. So we are going to use the chain rule to solve it because it's a composite function. The core is sine x, that is the inner function. So we can see that the core t is equals to, we can use any variable, you can use z, you can use w, but let me use t, I like t. So t is equals to sine x. Now we'll find the derivative of t with respect to x. Derivative of sine x is what? Cos x. So now here y will be equal to what? Ln t, since I've substituted t as sine x. So now derivative of y with respect to t is what? 1 over t. So now we can use the chain rule. So the y over the x is what? The t over the x times the y over the t. So this becomes, what's the t over the x? Cos x. What's the y over the t? 1 over t. And this becomes cos x times what's t? That's 1 over sine x. So it becomes cos x over sine x. So this becomes cos x over sine x, which is equals to what? So dy over the x is equals to cos x over sine x, which is equals to what? Cos over sine is cot, that's inverse of tan. Cot x. So this is the answer, cot x. So now the second one, we're also going to use the same method we did here to solve here. Here t is equals to the core. The core is 2x squared, 2x cubed, 2x cubed. So the x is what? 6x squared. This is the t dx. So now y is equals to what? Sine t. So then dy over the x, so dy over the t, not x, is equal to cos t. Then we'll use the chain rule. Dy over the x is equals to the t over the x times dy over the t. So that the t and the t will cancel to become dy over the x. So this becomes what? What's the t over the x is 6x squared. Here it becomes times cos t times cos t, which is equals to 6x squared times cos, what's t is 2x cubed. So it's 2x cubed. So 6x squared cos 2x cubed, that's the final answer. So this is the derivative of this function. So now let's move to the third one. So here's the third one. Now we'll substitute the core. T is equals to 1 over x squared. Then the x is what? Now, before we differentiate this, you know that this t can also be expressed as t is equals to x minus 2. So now, the derivative of this is what? Negative 2 x minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. So this becomes what? Negative 2 over x3. Because this will become 1 over x3. So this is the derivative of this. So now, y will be equal to what? Ln t. Then dy dt is what? 1 over t. So therefore, we can say dy over dx will be equal to dt over dx times dy over dt. So this will become dy over dx is equals to what? Where is dt over dx? It's negative 2 over x cubed. Negative 2 over x cubed times dy over dt is 1 over t, which is equal to negative 2 over x cubed times 1 over what's t? T is x. T is 1 over x squared. So we can say, well, we can write this one as a substitute of 1 over x squared because they are the same thing. They become x minus 2. So this, you know that this 1 over x minus 2 will become x2. Because if you even use your calculator and see, 1 over 2 raised to the power of what? Let me use minus 1. So this should give us 2. You see 2. So in the same way, this will be minus 2 over x cubed times so this should give us x squared times x squared. Because even if you say 1 divided by 1 over x squared is x squared. So same thing. So here, then x squared will cancel this one to give you what? X. So here, the y over the x will be equal to negative 2 over x. This is the final answer of the third one. This is the final answer. So this is the derivative of this. So that's all. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.